So over here, you can see that I have this document right here, and this document is about benefits of online education. So let's say I want to go ahead and take this particular content and turn it into presentation slides. In that case, you can go around over here onto Terabox, and then what you can do is go to Tera AI and go to standard presentation. So once you go ahead over here, you can go to the upload file section and then click or drag the file right here. That is, I can go ahead and drag the document right there. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my desktop, and here you can see that I got the benefits of online education document right here. So let's just go ahead and open that out. And what happens is that this document gets uploaded, and based on this, now I can go ahead and choose like what type of a slide I want. So I'm just going to add in medium level of text per slide right here, use web images, use humorous style, let's say for example, and I'm going to go ahead and write this for tech enthusiasts, as you can see right here. So now, by taking this document as a reference, I'm going to click on continue. And now what happens is that it'll read out the content of that document and will generate out sections for you, as you can see right here, just like this. So here's the AI presentation maker taking the information from that particular document. You can go ahead and add in a new section if you want as well, or delete this out if you don't want. In my case, I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to click on generate presentation. And let me just go ahead and select out a particular style right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around for blue style, select this one out right here, and click on start generating. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it starts generating out the slides right here. So you got the content, as you can see, and you got the introduction and so forth right here, just like this. And that is how it you can go ahead and generate out slides right here by using an existing document inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.